Nobody likes to do slavery to others every day from 9 am to 5 pm only to earn some money. Obviously, the people of the new generation who are well aware about the use of the internet and new startup opportunities are no more interested in doing conventional jobs. But in order to escape this slavery without having any knowledge about how to start a successful startup, they jump into it. And this is why more than 90% of startups become unsuccessful. Be it any startup of any field, there are 3 golden rules which, if followed properly, are guaranteed to build a successful startup. Look at this picture. Surely your house is similar to this, isn't it? The house may be similar, but is the way of thinking also similar? This is an important question. With the example of 2 friends, I will try to explain why some startups become successful and why some startups fail in the very beginning. But before that, if you want to talk to me directly about this topic, you can book one-to-one video calling session with me by following the link given below in the description. So there were 2 friends, Ramesh and Suresh. Both of them watched Sandeep sir's video on how to earn money from YouTube. But Suresh listened to every word of Sandeep sir very carefully and noted it down, while Ramesh just understood that yes, YouTube is a platform where a startup can be started even with zero investment and lakhs of rupees can be earned monthly from this source. So both of them decided to open a YouTube channel. The first of the 3 golden rules of startup: start with why. Now let's see how Ramesh and Suresh followed this rule. Ramesh never asked himself the question why he want to open a YouTube channel. There was only one thing going on in his mind, that he could make a lot of money from YouTube. The answer to his why was to earn name, fame and money. He researched about the topics which are always trending on YouTube in India. He found that one is sexual content and the other is comedy. He could not choose the first one as his family wouldn't accept it, but he could make content on the second topic. He had seen how channels like BBK Vines, Carrie Minati have been able to gain so many subscribers in such a short time. He said to himself, this is what I have to do. Then he opened a comedy channel. Even though he didn't ask himself, do I have genuine interest in comedy? Do I have such talent? No, he just saw the money. He paid no attention about the interest. Now let's talk about Suresh. Suresh opened the notes of Sandeep sir before taking any decision. The first line in it was, finding your interest. He thought a lot about this, but found nothing. I don't know what I am interested in. When he was about to give up, suddenly he looked at his phone. Eureka! I have found my interest. He was very interested in mobile phones. He used to experiment with new phones. He had all the upcoming updates about new phones launched in the market. He used to gather all the news about upcoming phones from different websites. It means his knowledge about mobile phone was very good. Even his friends used to come to him for advice before buying a new mobile. He said, this is what I will do. Then he opened a YouTube channel about mobile phones. His main motive was to help people in this matter by providing accurate and updated knowledge about mobile phones. Now comes the second golden rule, learn from masters. After starting the channel, Ramesh went to discuss with his brother, who himself was doing a 9-to-5 job in a bank and does not even know ABCD about YouTube. So his brother began to share his knowledge with him. He said, hey, some of my college friends also tried all this. You won't be able to earn money like that. It's useless. It's a time pass. Only 1 or 2 people in millions get lucky to earn money like that. Don't be fooled by all this nonsense. Study properly and then do a job in a bank like me. Then he discussed it with some of his friends. There were some of them who didn't even know what YouTube is. They also said, dude, it's very difficult. Who will watch your video? You are not famous, right? Now after hearing all this, his motivation level dropped down. On the other hand, Suresh did not talk to any friend or brother who does not even know ABCD about YouTube. Suresh went and saw the channels on this topic which are very successful on YouTube. He found some channels, then he approached those YouTubers. By commenting on their video, mailing them personally, Suresh asked them how many views did they get on their videos initially, how they used to make videos in the beginning, then how they improved. It means he started learning from those people who were masters in that field. As a result, his motivation level started increasing. When he went to those channels and read the thank you comments, he felt very good. He thought, man, I also want to do the same thing. Now let's come to the third rule, focus on excellence. Ramesh used to check his revenue 50 times a day, but Suresh used to check the revenue once a week. Initially, as expected, they both got very few views. In this situation, Ramesh remembered his brother's words that very few people have such great luck. This thought made him more and more demotivated. But in the same situation, Suresh remembered the story of successful YouTubers. They had told him that initially they were hardly getting 10 views on their videos. Suresh had got 50 views. So instead of being demotivated by this situation, he became more happy. Now negative comments started coming on Ramesh's videos. As expected, after 3 months, only $10 of total revenue was generated. So Ramesh said, my friends were right. It's very difficult to do all these things. And 3 months later, he finally gave up. After 3 months, he stopped posting videos. There were also negative comments on Suresh's videos, but he did something different. He noticed where he made mistake. Well, he saw there was a lot of noise in the audio, so he fixed the audio. Then he noticed that the lighting of the video has to be fixed a little bit because a lot of shadows were coming inside the clip. Meaning, in the beginning, he focused only on improving his product. Suresh also generated only $8 revenue after 3 months, but 10 people had already commented thank you on his videos. He counted those thanks instead of the dollars. Because his real purpose was to help people. As his videos got better, his subscribers also increased. As a result, more revenue began to get generated. But he then put this money in advertising on different websites. And 5 years later, today Suresh has 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And today, he earns 2 to 3 lakh rupees a month. Ramesh now works in a bank from 9 to 5 with his brother. And today his monthly earning is just rupees 30,000. Ramesh's life is now full of burdens, yet he is proud of himself. And do you know the funny thing? Now whenever Ramesh meets Suresh, he says to Suresh, man, you are so lucky. I want you to share this video with all your friends who are big fans of Sandeep Maheshwari sir and who really want to apply his words into their life. Please let me know your opinion by liking this video and commenting below. If you want more videos like this, stay connected with me by subscribing to this channel. It's easy. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.